We're ready to add a workflow to a new universe that we created, which is required before documents can be batched for review. Let's navigate to the Review Workflows page and use the Universe menu to select the newly created date range universe. The Add Workflow button is located on the Universe toolbar. In the Field area, we want to select the field that contains the value or values to be used as workflows. The responsive field value is recommended as the goal of most reviews is to identify responsive documents. Let's designate the responsiveness field and select Responsive from the Values dropdown. We'll leave First Pass Review Complete as the target review state and select the First Pass 500 with Families by Doc Date batching template. However, if this workflow will only be used to track responsiveness rates and will not be used for batches, make sure you check the Do Not Create Batches Automatically checkbox before clicking the Save button. We see the new responsive workflow value on the Review Workflows page for our date range universe. If we also want to track the review progress of individual issues or use the issue field values to utilize predictive coding, we need to add those fields as separate workflows. So let's go ahead and click the Add Workflow button again. And this time we'll select the Issues field and leave all values selected. Let's also select the Enable Predictive Coding checkbox. This way, each individual issue can be tracked separately, and predictive coding can be used at any time. Again, we'll leave the default target review state as First Pass Review Complete. Select the First Pass 500 with Families by Doc Date batching template and click Save. We now also see the new issue field workflow values on the Review Workflows page for our date range universe. Looking at the PC and Training column, an orange dot in the PC column indicates these workflows are also enabled for predictive coding. While we are on this page, let's set the responsive field as the target workflow for our universe. This will populate the confirmed and reviewed metrics on the Review Summary panel. The Universe configuration settings are located under the Actions menu for the Scope and Samples link. Let's select Responsive in the Target Workflow area and click the Save button. Our project is now set up for batch creation. If we return to the Analysis page and switch the Tagging panel to Review Workflow, the workflow field values are displayed under the date range universe. As specific document sets are isolated in the result list for batching, users will select the representative workflow field value to both save that set for tracking on the Review Workflows page and to automatically generate review batches based on the First Pass 500 with Families by Doc Date batching template.